I'm Bianca. I trained my dog better than most people raise their children. No offense. Actually, some offense. I researched her breed for months. Watched about 150 hours of training videos and had a detailed plan before she even existed. Because if I emotionally depend on something, it better sit, stay, and heal on command.
Retractable leash. Bold choice. Do you also parent with a slingshot?
Princess, come back here. Come to mommy. Come here.
Your dog isn't confused.
Princess.
She's just judging you too.
Come to mommy. Princess, here, princess.
He's friendly. I'm not. Hey, look, I get it. Not everyone has the time to read the full signs of canine behavior and exfoliate. But I do. Because I'm competitive. And apparently I made dog ownership another thing to win it. Good girl. Oh, your dog is so calm. Thanks. She's mirroring my superiority. Yes, I pick up her poop. Yes, I do it with biodegradable bags. And yes, I do it in tinted moisturizer, because being hot and responsible isn't mutually exclusive. I don't mean to judge. I do judge. I just mean to pretend better. Look, I'm not saying my dog's better than yours. I'm just saying if there were a leaderboard, she'd be in first. And your dog would be the reason that we can't go off leash. I trained her perfectly. Because I don't know how to be okay with good enough. Because if she's calm, I must be calm. Because if she listens, then maybe I'm finally in control of something. And also, because I love her. And she deserves the best. Maybe if I give that to her, someone will give it back to me. Or whatever. Let's go, Queen.
Still glamorous, still funny, still silently judging your yappy chihuahua in a sweater.